You ever there on a bus full of people or in a one car full of people, the window wind up on the AC and you cut a stinking fat. But you know say you don't want to let you out make you make a bag of nice, so you have to let go one of the silent assassin there.
You are what you perhaps you put that bus. Boy, if you know say me in a bus front and me release a tear gas. I know say me a ball out who down in the back down so who down they do it? Nah wonder.
Yeah, if you don't squeeze the brawling more while, but you still can't make them know say you're using the car. Guess what, boy? Them a go.
You don't just squeeze the brawling more.
I mean, man, don't know anything, man. Fata fi cut you know what you think, regular.
Me a break the attraction for my forward now and give them the forward round and back. Right? Yeah. Nah wonder tear gas. Not in the bus or off the bus.
You don't even know if it's a dog.
Generally, you want to go on, you see in the public, you want to pop. You see some people who go on like say, oh, them shit can't make party. You have to go and eyes them too, you know, because you can't just let it out, so, you know, because some of them nosy, you know, up to you move, but you make them, you know, say you want to pop move, you know, so you have to be careful with them move, you see me? You have to just squeeze them, pop them properly. For some of them I preach till I drive, you know, because they have to put on them some place in my lad.
You can't afford in a car, man, you see one of people. Tell them say excuse me. You see it?
You can't do brave passenger them all the while, look, I drive and they don't fuck with you, you know. Yeah, I tell you.
Nobody now want it.
Nah wonder.
Yeah, make him say why I'm saying that.
No, let's go, man. Let's go, man. You have me, I say, yeah, face school, you see more while in here, you see, guess what now, you see more while, more while.